Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little gift guide I put together of just some things I thought would be cute to give to the lady in your life. So if you have a friend, a coworker, a family member, your mother-in-law, you're just stuck and you don't know what to give someone, I came up with a couple ideas of just some cute little gifts to give. Nothing crazy, nothing like out there really, just some cute little things I thought would be a nice gift. I have some home items, some beauty items. I don't have much clothing. I came up with a couple of clothing pieces if you do know their size. Just some snuggly, cozy things. So I will have everything I share linked down below in that description box. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off with some beauty items, some cute little things to give. Always the holiday sets are such a cute gift to give. This Laura Mercier packaging is just fantastic. This is one of their little blushes and their little eye crayons, and then this is their famous loose setting powder. But how cute is the packaging? I mean, you don't even need to wrap this. You could just like put a bow on it and hand it over. I just thought it was so cute. I've shared the Merit holiday sets quite a few times here on my channel. This is their mini Flush Balm trio. Oh, I love their Flush Balm. That's probably my favorite makeup product ever. And then their signature lips, just some different lipsticks. I always suggest Necessary products because they're just, even if they're not like a makeup lover, everybody loves a good luxurious body wash, body lotion. They have hand cream, they have exfoliators. They just have so many different body care products that are just, they're clean, they're good, they're luxurious. So I love Necessary products. I always suggest them. Eucalyptus is my favorite scent, but I had to share that. And then a fragrance, of course, you guys. I tried out the new Merit perfume and I just had to share it in this video because it's so good. I'm very picky with fragrances. I'll give you a little hint on what I like. Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt is an all-time favorite of mine. I probably wear that the most. The Burberry Her perfume is very good, and the original Chloe is, those are pretty much the only three I like. But then I tried the Merit one. Oh my gosh. I'm like blown away. It smells so good. Highly suggest it. As a new little fragrance, it comes in a cute little box too. So had to share that. Fragrance is always a nice idea as a gift. Okay, next up, I just want to share a little bit of jewelry. I don't have much. This was actually one of my gifts last year from my husband. I got a couple of the Miranda Fry bracelets. I wore the heck out of these. They really didn't leave my wrist until recently because I was like, I'm wearing sweaters. I don't know, I just don't feel like I need a bunch of bracelets anymore. I wore them all spring, all summer, and they never came off. I went to the pool with them. I went in the shower with them. I never took them off and they look perfect. I love their bracelets. So I wanted to share those. I'll link the ones down below that I own. I also have always shared Ana Luisa. I love big gold chunky earrings lately. I've been really into them. These are adorable. They're like a teardrop kind of earring, nice and shiny gold. Check out Ana Luisa. They have like a ton of really great jewelry. I recently got these silver ones from Madewell. Madewell has really great affordable jewelry as well. So I just want to share those. I think those are really cute little ideas. Some chunky earrings, chunky like stud earrings are very in right now. But those bracelets from Miranda Fry are just such good quality and I think would be a really cute gift. Okay, moving on to some snuggly things. I've shared this little set how many times. I've been saving these fuzzy socks because it looks so cute in this little trio box. and I cannot wait to wear them. I just want to wear them. So after this video, I'm gonna start finally wearing them. They are from Barefoot Dreams. I'll link them down below. They have different like color combinations, but it comes in a set of 3. Or you could just hop on, I think you can get Barefoot Dreams in like a single. You don't have to get like a trio of them. But they're fuzzy. I mean, fuzzy socks. I think some people think, oh, you can't give socks. I love getting socks. Please give me socks. I don't tend to buy myself like fuzzy socks. So as a gift, I just think it is so nice. And Barefoot Dreams are just like buttery, super soft. So I had to share that. This is the brown trio. I'll have it linked, and then check out Fuzzy Socks Anywhere. You can get super affordable ones at Target. If you want to go a little more luxurious with the Barefoot Dreams, lots of options. And then I did want to share some Uggs. If you do know their shoe size, maybe it's a daughter or a mom and you know their shoe size, some fuzzy Uggs are always great. There's tons of slipper options. I just thought Uggs are just such a great gift to give. I got these right here as my new slipper. This can be an indoor or outdoor boot, but I just thought they looked like snuggly, cozy winter slippers to me. So they're so cute. I'll have these ones linked, but there's so many Ugg options. I think they're always a great gift to give. Another great gift option is books. I am a book crazy person. I love books. I also love aesthetically pleasing books, but also that have my interests. And I think that's such a great gift to give is like a coffee table, nice book, maybe with their interests. So if they really like to cook, a really nice cookbook. If they like the home, there's so many like home, very beautiful coffee table books. I have one, I have the Martha Stewart organizing one. It's just aesthetically pleasing coffee table books. They're nice to look through, they're nice to read. I just think it's such a great little gift to give. Like I said though, I love books. I like to read books. I like pretty books. I love books. Okay, if you're into giving some decor, I have these and I thought they were such a good gift to give because one, you can get them off Amazon, you can get them really fast, and I feel like they were very affordable. They are these cast iron candlesticks. If you have a home lover, some decor pieces are so nice. These are sold separate, but I love them together. Again, they're like nice, heavy, very good quality cast iron, so I thought I would share that. I love these candlesticks and a nice like little gift. All right, next, I can't believe I like pulled this out of my kitchen, but cutting boards. Cutting boards are such a great gift to give, especially if you have a cook or a baker and they like kitchen gadgets. Cutting boards are they can be expensive, they can also be affordable, they can also be decor. So they have like multifunctional uses. I thought this one was so cute. This is from Target. It's just a little one. This one's more of a decor piece in my house, but you can obviously use it. This is the Crate and Barrel one. It's ginormous. It is so good. I actually have the size down from this one. I use that one more, but they're just really nice, beautiful cutting boards, like actual wood cutting boards. They're just so cute. So I thought that was a good little gift to give. I share this every year. Obviously you can gift a candle. If you gift a candle, I suggest going to Anthropologie. They have the best candles, the best smelling ones. I love Anthropologie candles, but also a diffuser. Little diffusers like this are so cute. You can find tons on Amazon that are aesthetically pleasing, cute to put out. This one I have from Target. It was like $25. You can get them a little set of oils with it. I love a good diffuser, especially if they're not super into candles. Candles can be overdone too as a gift. But I think a little diffuser and a little set of essential oils would be a really nice gift to give. Last up, I have a couple of like clothing pieces, but again, clothing, you kind of gotta know the size and everything. First up, I'm not gonna try these on. I have tried these on many times. You can go to lots and lots of my try-ons of these, but Cashmere from Quince is such a great gift to give. I love their sweaters. I'm obsessed with cashmere from Quince. It is just the most beautiful, oh my gosh, it's not breaking the bank, it's beautiful quality. If you know their size, I suggest any of their sweaters. Read lots of reviews on them for sizing, or check out any of my Quince try-ons. I think every Quince try-on I've ever done, I probably share a cashmere piece, and I've shared them over and over here on my channel. Also, they have great cashmere scarves and hats and gloves. Those are such luxurious gifts to give, and again, Quince, you're not breaking the bank. It's very affordable, but also luxurious. So I think it's such a great gift to give. I'll link a couple of my favorites from Quince down below, but again, you can check out any of my Quince try-ons. I share them all the time because I'm addicted. But I also want to share this set from Gap. I think it is a great gift to give. It's one of their Cash Soft pieces. I'm gonna link a couple of sets that they have on their website right now, but if you're looking to gift a little outfit, maybe a cozy, comfy something, I just think this is such a great set. I'm obsessed with this one. It is a ribbed texture. It has the big wide leg pants, a nice oversized top. They have beautiful color options. They also have a cable knit version where they have like cable knit pants and sweater top. They're just so comfy to lounge in. So if you know their sizing, this is such a great gift to give. A little outfit. You can even add some fuzzy socks in with it and make it a whole big present. So I wanted to share that because I think I would like to get gifted something like this because I love cozy clothes. All right guys, so that is it for my gift guide. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not, and I'll see you guys in my next one.